Testing 1, 2. Okay, now I have level bouncing again. So I'm not going to use my monitors because there's a delay and I don't need to monitor. I can hear myself live. So I'm just going to put these away. My headphones, don't need them. And the test that I want to make now is what's going to be the best position for the microphone. Will it be here, or can I put it up above and do that sort of thing? So the question is the microphone far enough away or close enough that it sounds good? I think there's some kind of like a noise gate or a, compressor built in that senses volume proximity. So in other words, if I'm kind of banging on the microphone itself, it seems to duck the volume down a tad because this is like way too up close and personal. And then it takes a couple of seconds for the volume to come back up once I've stopped doing that. And meanwhile, what was the other thing I wanted to test? I want to test this echo control. What is that? So if I turn that up all the way, am I getting some kind of reverb or something? So this is the K66S. It's telling me the audio input is the K66. So I think the microphone itself is simply a K66, and the S must stand for stand. Let's see, they're both called, professional studio microphone, and this one is plug and play. And then it also says professional studio microphone. So they're printed at different times. So anyway, I'm glad I got both. That's kind of cool. So I want to see what this echo is all about. What are they talking about? So let's see here. We see Mac operating system versus Windows. This is just how to set it up. But I've got audio, so I don't need to horse around with this. I want to know about this echo. Einstellung. Okay. Sounds rather German, doesn't it? Well, that explains why it works well. It's a German microphone. Okay. Warranty, computer setup. Yeah. I'm not worried about echo. I've got Logic Pro X, so I can do anything I want with the audio after the fact, or during the fact for that matter. How to connect with Type-C device, iPhone. Yeah. But it needs to tell me about echo. Suppose I can look it up on the web, which maybe that's what I'll do. How to install microphone and boom arm stand. Oh, it's up. I've got it rocking. Echo adjustment. What do they mean by that? Does that, maybe they're talking about room reflection. Maybe they're talking about changing the pickup pattern so it rejects input from the back like a cardioid, heart-shaped pickup pattern would do. And that's what they mean by echo reduction. So here, can I turn this while I'm speaking and hear what the difference might be? Okay, here's down to 0. Test 1, 2, 3. Now I'm turning it up. Test 1, 2, 3. Let's hear what it sounds like.